Next one, 9.22. So, arrange the following set of compounds in order of their decreasing relative reactivity with an electrophile E plus. So, electrophile E plus. So, the AB, A, chlorobenzene, B, next one, 2,4-dinitrochlorobenzene, para-nitrochlorobenzene. So the reactivity order is, so first one is chlorobenzene. So because I will explain. So it is the chlorobenzene. So it is highly reactive. So next one, 2,4-dinitrochlorobenzene, para-nitrochlorobenzene. Next one, para-nitrochlorobenzene. Because I will explain. So it is para, ortho, meta, para. So it is para nitrochlorobenzene. Next one, 2,4-dinitrochlorobenzene. So it is chloro, it is second place, third place, fourth place. So third one, 2,4-dinitrochlorobenzene. So its name is chlorobenzene. Its name is para-nitrochlorobenzene. This name is 2,4-dinitrochlorobenzene. So, but why chlorobenzene is high? Why 2,4-dinitrochlorobenzene is low? Because it is electron substituting group. NO2 is electron withdrawing group. NO2 is electron withdrawing group. So the reactivity is decreases. But in this compound, two nitro groups are present. In this compound, only one nitro group is present. In this compound, two nitro groups are present. So the reactivity is less. So highest reactivity chlorobenzene, due to nitro group, the reactivity is decreases. In this compound, two nitro groups are present, so the reactivity is very less. It is the reason. Next, B1, toluene. So PCH3C6H4NO2, PNO2C6H4NO2. So the correct answer is, so for this answer is, first one, toluene, highest reactivity. So next one, so CH3, so NO2, so para-nitrotoluene. Next one, NO2. So in this place NO2, in this place NO2. So its name is toluene. So its name is para-nitrotoluene. It is para-nitrobenzene. Para-dinitrobenzene. Because why toluene is high reactivity, why para-dinitrobenzene is low reactivity? Because it is electron substituting group. It is methyl group is alkyl group is electron substituting. So the reactivity is high. But NO2 is electron withdrawing, so that's why the reactivity is decreases. In this place, so two nitro groups are present, so the electron withdrawing is more and more, so the reactivity is very less. So first one toluene, next one para-nitrotoluene, next one para-dinitrobenzene. It is the reactivity order. Thank you. Please subscribe.